Pasig Mayor Vico Sotto knows just how to brighten up the holidays for his constituents. On the first day of December, Sotto posted this tweet, giving a teaser of the city's Christmas giveaway bag that will be given to all Pasig homes. $360,000 Christmas bags will be distributed. The local government of Pasig allotted 203 million pesos to purchase them. Sotto assured employees of the City Hall assigned to distribute the Christmas bags are COVID-free. On Twitter, Sotto also answered Christmas concerns of Pasig residents.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.